After signing in to your accounts on code.org, make sure to open Lesson 8, Creating Functions with Parameters. Here we have the lesson overview. Okay. We have an overview about the lesson. Then the new vocab will be definitely the definition of parameter. Here we have the codes will be used during the session using random number, and we used random number before with squares project. When we changed the move to function x and y values, we substitute the x value with a random number, giving a minimum value with 1 and a maximum value with 300 for the x value. We did the same with y. We substituted the y with a random number, minimum value of 1 and maximum value of 400. Okay? Back to our lesson. Definitely here we have function or creating a function with parameter and calling a function with parameter. Continue. On level 2 of lesson 8, we're having a video. If you need to watch the video to get more understanding of using parameters and so on, watch the video. On level 3, as usual, you will have instructions to do a certain task. Okay, here we have your task. Do this. Something wrong. We have set up a program that runs but doesn't do what it's supposed to do. The program is supposed to make a drawing with two squares that looks like this. Okay, there should be two squares. Okay, when we click run, nothing will happen, or nothing will happen correctly. We're having a small square, the bigger square is wrong, so search for the problem. Okay, pen down, move forward. Here we have the problem. As long as we're using size as a parameter, it should substitute the move forward value. So instead of 33, type size. Reset and run. Hey, we're done. Click finish. Continue. Okay, and level 4, we're having a different task. We need to write the definition of draw triangle function. Okay, so we should start with pen up. Okay, to let the arrow or the turtle move without drawing anything. Just click, drag pen up, then move forward, and definitely you can refer to the code here, okay, for drawing a square. The size will be substituted with length side. Okay, sorry, was side length. Then we need to turn left to have an angle. Make the angle 120. We need to draw a triangle. Then copy and paste the move forward and the turn left. If you need to drag them again, it's okay. Yes, it's easier just to copy and paste. Definitely we need 3 of them. Okay, and at the end we need to add pen down again. Run. Yes, there's something wrong. Here I started with pen down. I should start with pen down instead of pen up. Okay, click finish. Continue. Definitely if you have something wrong, you wouldn't have the option of click continue. You should keep working. He will not give you the option of continue. You should keep working. Okay, here we have another task. Add the code, make 2 calls to the new 2 parameters version of draw square. Okay, here we need to call the function twice to draw 2 squares. Moving to function, select the call function that has parameter. After move to, first of all I need to draw square. Type draw square instead of my function. Okay, here we have size instead of n, make it 100. We need another one for the width, make it 10. Okay, here we have the bigger one with smaller width. Then draw the second square, again my function, name it draw square. Okay, this one is smaller than the first one, so make it 50, and the border are bigger, make them 40. Run. Okay, finish. Continue. Okay, in this level, you're asked to drag out the function fuck, and the name of your function should be draw triangle. Define draw triangle to have 2 parameters within, making sure to give them descriptive and meaningful names separated by commas. So we need to define a function. Okay, here we have my function. We should name it draw triangle. Okay, here we have only the calls of the function. We don't have the function itself. So move to functions, drag a function, and it's better to have a function with parameter. Name it draw triangle. Okay, we need to start with bend down, then move forward. Okay, I need to add the parameters, give them any meaningful name. So for the line, we're gonna make it L. By the way, we can use only letters, make it L. And for the drag another function. Okay, the other one will be for the width, make it W. So substitute the 25 with L, and we're having turn left with 120. Copy them for 1 to 3 times. The last step will be pen up. Okay, we didn't use the width, so from here pen width, make it be before the pin down instead of. Then type W, run. Okay, now we're having two triangles with two different lines measures and two different border width. Finish. Continue.